All right, now these two little Tikes toys I'm really excited to share with you because these are just so fun. Obviously, if you've seen any of my other content, I love cooking, and so teaching my kids how to cook and is such a priority to me. So buying these little tiny kitchen toys was such a game changer. Our littlest one loves these. Like every day she comes over here, she pretends like she's cooking. She's got the little refrigerator. These are two separate toys that you purchase. I also purchased the they have a dishwasher, but I also purchased the laundry machine and washer and dryer set, but I'm still waiting for my husband to set those up. But let me show you the refrigerator and the stove. Okay, we have a French door refrigerator. I've shared that in other videos, but this is like a little tiny French door refrigerator. It comes with a little ice maker and these really cute little clips here, and it makes this little sound here. You can turn this off. And then I think it has like a little light, but it's kind of fun to have like a little sound option. Now, obviously, we have lost a lot of the pieces, or they're somewhere around the house, but it came with a few kitchen like refrigerator items, but it has a freezer compartment here with a handle. But having these things in general are just fun for little kids to be able to practice opening and closing doors and having these little shelves. There's two shelves that come with this. There were little ice cubes, but the ice cubes my daughter kept putting in her mouth, so I threw those away. The ice cubes fit in there, and then this actually becomes like a little ice cube dispenser with a little cup, so that's really fun. This is not part of the set. This is something else, but I really highly recommend this little refrigerator for especially little kids that just want to be in the kitchen with you all the time. Now, another one is this little stove. This is so fun. Having the ability to pretend like you're cooking when you're a little baby. It's just so cute. And you could put this on like a pedestal to make it higher up. It's kind of small, but for little ones, this is great. It came with this little skillet and this little pretend egg. Some of these are actually, these are part of the barbecue that I showed you earlier and in another video. So if you're wondering about accessories for the barbecue, I found them. It's a hot dog and a little spatula. So that's why I love buying multiple little Tikes toys, because actually they're pretty interchangeable with their parts. But this is like a little ice cream. And I think the stove also came with this little bacon, but this is so cute. Like the kids love pretending that they're cooking up eggs and bacon in a little skillet. This also makes some nice clicking noises and sounds like you're boiling stuff. And these little buttons are fun. Like the kids love having the opportunity to be able to like push a button and make a sound and feel like they're actually doing something. It comes with a little baking tray and some little chocolate chip cookies. The cookies are a big hit, but I don't have that in here right now, but you can kind of see there would be like a little tray and cookies in there. And this is just so fun, so I highly recommend this. And be sure to check out the links in the description below where you can purchase these items online and have them sent directly to your home. Now, I'm going to share with you the most popular little Tikes toy that everybody loves. Everyone who comes over notices it. All the kids want to play with it, so let's go.